test humidifiers in this climate-controlled chamber. We measure how many gallons of water each humidifier emits, and we also use a sound meter to measure how loud each one is. For a baby or child's room, use a cool mist humidifier. Warm mist humidifiers, or vaporizers, can scald a child if they get too close or it's knocked over. Cool mists come in two styles, evaporative or ultrasonic. Evaporative units use a wick or filter, and a fan disperses the water vapor. The filters do need to be replaced depending on how often you run the unit, so you'll need to factor in that extra cost. Ultrasonic models use a vibrating disc to emit tiny water droplets that turn into vapor after entering the air. They're quieter and they generally rank higher in our ratings than the evaporative kind, but they can leave a white mist on surfaces. It's residue from dissolved minerals in the water droplets. The Consumer Product Safety Commission says the health effects of inhaling these minerals isn't clear. Using distilled or demineralized water can help, but that can add up. Consider an ultrasonic model with a built-in demineralization cartridge, or you can choose an ultrasonic model and use filtered tap water. Not keeping your humidifier clean can spur the growth of potentially harmful mold and bacteria, so rinse and wipe it down daily. And sanitize it once a week. You can learn more at cr.org.